Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome back guys. Bago kayo dito sa aking video, huwag kayong malimot na mag-like and subscribe for my video. For today's video, we are gonna explore a haunted house. But the explore is only the outside of the house. Only the outside of the house. Yeah, only the outside because the gate is locked. We can explore in 5, 2, 3. That many. So see. Guys, as nakita niyo, ito niyo yung bahay. Yung may-ari dito guys, inabandona nila itong bahay. Kasi alam nila na mayroon palang nakikitira na mga multo, kapre, at meron pa raw ding nagtigil dito mismo bahay. Doon, ito po yung lahat. Iniwan ng mga owner nun since 1990s. Nakahuli pa yung lola ko, grandmother ko, sa pag-abandon ng bahay niya. So, totoo po yung lahat. So, if you want to see more, let's get back to it. Sure naman ako na nakita niyo yun lahat. So maybe yan na po ang for today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next vlog.